In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your video settings in Microsoft Teams step by step. Let's begin with the first step. Start by opening a web browser on your computer and typing in teams.microsoft.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This is essential for accessing all the features and settings Microsoft Teams has to offer, making it an excellent tool for both personal and professional communication. If you don't have a Microsoft account, take a moment to set one up. This will help you fully utilize Microsoft's suite of tools beyond just Teams. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready for the next step, starting or joining a meeting. If you're set to attend a scheduled meeting, simply click on it to enter the meeting room. However, if you find yourself needing to initiate an impromptu gathering, Teams provides a handy Meet Now option. Click it and a camera preview should pop up. This preview is a great way to adjust your surroundings and ensure that everything is set before you actually join the meeting. Now let's talk about checking your camera view, which is crucial for professional-looking video calls. An interesting feature of Microsoft Teams is that it automatically mirrors your camera view. But hold on, the mirrored view is only for your eyes. All the other participants in the meeting will see your video as it naturally appears, not flipped. This mirroring feature might be familiar if you've used other video conferencing tools, but Teams adds the option to adjust this setting. If you're curious about changing how your video appears, simply look for the down arrow icon located to the right of the camera preview. Clicking this arrow reveals more video effects and settings that you can explore. One useful aspect within these settings is the option to toggle the Mirror My Video feature. If you prefer seeing yourself as others see you, you'll want to switch this off. This setting can add a layer of comfort, especially for those of us who like to keep an eye on our appearance during a call. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these settings not only enhances your personal video calling experience, but also ensures that your presentation is as professional and polished as possible. Whether you're leading a team meeting or catching up with colleagues, looking confident on camera can make a significant difference. That wraps up our tutorial on managing video settings in Microsoft Teams. By signing in, joining, or starting a meeting and adjusting your camera view, you've set yourself up for a seamless video conferencing experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for joining in today, and see you in the next video.